doing what it's doing. Okay, we're good. So you want to compare the perimeter of a triangle to the square. Now, which one of these has the larger perimeter? Is it the square that has the larger perimeter? Or is it the triangle that has the larger perimeter? Look at the problem. The perimeter of an equilateral triangle is 5 inches less. Now, I do this too. You want to go this minus 5 because that's the order that you read it, right? But this is less, and this is more. Do you subtract from a smaller? Darn it. Hold on. This is what the instructions tell me to do. Wants to be finicky. Hopefully it'll start. Okay, let me see if I can move the camera closer. Why? This is supposed to be a high-end camera. Damn it. All right, well. Okay, so do you subtract from what's less to get what's more? So we shouldn't do this minus. We should do it this way, minus 5. Okay? Now, since it said the side of the square was 1 inch longer, we might as well make the triangle x, since we're solving for the triangle. So that's x plus 1. Okay, so now we got 3 times this equals 4 times that minus 5. All right? And so I noticed that this becomes eventually, because 3x, 4x, you're going to get 1x. This is going to become 4 minus 5, so you'd add the 1 to the other side. And notice, now I can't speak for your mistake, but it's probably because you did this minus 5, since that was the order. And that's a real easy mistake to make. So when you have issues like, okay, should we multiply? Should we add or subtract? Figure out which is more, which is less. So if you have this less, you multiply to what's less to get more. If you have this less, you add to what's less to get more. Or if you have what's more, you divide to get less. Or you subtract from what's more to get less. Okay, and that's the trick I've always used to make sure this mistake, which is common, it's really easy to do. That's the way the sentence is worded. And humans, including me, react to what they see without thinking. We can't help it. That's why we're alive. That's why we left the savannah, okay? Because when that tiger ruffled in the woods, you didn't stop and think, oh, well, that's a nice color. Cool. Seems to be a friendly animal. No, you went, zoom. Okay?